We're diving into DJI's next big step in drone technology. While everyone is buzzing about the Mavic 4 Pro, a recently leaked image has stirred even more excitement. The DJI Mavic 4 Enterprise Edition. Let's take a closer look at all the details that have surfaced about this new model. First, the leaked images suggest that the Enterprise Edition isn't just a variant of the Mavic 4 Pro. It seems tailored for professional use, with specialized imaging capabilities perfect for mapping, inspections, and other enterprise applications. In terms of design, the Mavic 4 features a sleeker, more aerodynamic body, promising faster and more efficient flight. Integrated LED beacons for night flying and a weight of under 900 grams make it highly maneuverable. For professionals, there's more exciting news. Dual microSD card slots and increased internal storage for better data management. Plus, user-swappable payloads could make repairs and upgrades much more convenient. On the camera front, a Hasselblad-branded triple camera system steals the spotlight. With the potential move to an APS-C sensor, users can expect higher resolution, better dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. Enhanced zoom and a broader focal range will open up new creative possibilities. Before I continue with the video, I should tell you about audio, the ultimate music and sound effects for content creators like us. Whether you're crafting stunning visuals, cinematic sequences, or even just vlogging, a great soundtrack and sound design make all the difference. Audio gives you unlimited access to a massive curated catalog of music and sound effects that don't feel like stock. Think real artists, real quality, perfect for everything from YouTube videos and podcasts to client projects and even full-blown film productions. This includes a pro license that covers distribution on any platform, YouTube, TV, podcasts, you name it. Plus, everything you download during your subscription is yours to use forever. It's honestly the best value out there for creators, and it's been a game changer for me. Right now, they are offering a great deal just for us. Audio Pro is 70% off for the whole year. All you have to do is sign up for Audio via the link in the description and use the special discount code. Advanced autonomous flight modes, improved obstacle avoidance, and smart tracking features are also rumored to be part of this upgrade. And with a larger battery, longer flight times are on the horizon, along with USB-C charging ports for faster, more convenient charging. What about the release date and price? Following DJI's typical product cycle, the Mavic 4 could debut this fall. Pricing is expected to be close to the Mavic 3 Pro's launch price of $2,199. Of course, all this information is based on leaks and speculation. We'll need to wait for an official announcement to confirm these details. What features are you most excited about for the Mavic 4? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.